Hi there, Doc Mountain. Let's see if we can connect an e-wallet to Amino. So what you do is you head on to Binance. When you're in, what you do is you click the bottom right corner, then you click deposit. Okay, so after clicking deposit, you will see all those tabs sitting there, history, what. So what you need to do is you click BNB under trending, BNB, then you go by BNB Smart Chain BEP20, click there, then click the copy, click copy, then you head back to Amino. Where are you, Amino? You open Amino, then you click in the top right corner. If you want, you can click here where it says no wallet, just right below invite friends, strike, then 833 here. Then we can click withdraw and say edit airdrop amount 167. Then say withdraw. And then saying airdrop entered. You've entered the airdrop. You will receive 67 Amino tokens. Click OK. Yeah, we can now go back.